Dear 7th standard students, welcome back to this video session of Maths Term 2. Now we are going to learn a new chapter, number system. Here we discuss about the place value of the digits in exercise 1.1. Let us get into the session. Look at this chapter 1, number system, exercise 1.1. Here we discuss about the place value of the digits. First one, every digit of a number has a place value which gives the value of the digit. For example, in whole number 3768. Listen, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So ones place is 8, tens place 6, hundreds place 7, thousand place 3. Here in decimal numbers 25.62, that is whole number 25 point, after the decimal point we have to read the values in single digit, that is 62, not 62, 62. So 25.62. Here ones digit is 5, tens digit 2. After the decimal point, that is tenths, hundreds, thousand, that is the place value of the decimal numbers. 25.62, that is tens place is 2, ones place 5, tenth place 6, hundredth place 2. And then next one, 1/10 can be written as 1 by 10. Like that, 100 as 1 by 100, 1000 as 1 by 1000 as 1 by 1000. Like that, 1 by 10 equal to 10 power minus 1. Listen here, 10 power 1. Nothing is there means that is power 1. We have, it is in denominator. We have to write in numerator means the power will be changed in negative sign. So 10 power minus 1. Here 1 by 100, that is 10 into 10, that is 10 square. In numerator means 10 power minus 2. Like that, 1 by 1000, that is 10 into 10 into 10, that is 10 power 3. Numerator means 10 power minus 3. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.1 sums. First one, write the decimal numbers for the following pictorial representations of numbers. Listen here. Here 10 squares are there. And here 1, here 1. So 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. So 12 ones are there, and here 1/10. So out of 10, 1 is there. So 1/10. Here 1/10. So 2 1/10ths are there. How will you write that the answer? That is 12 point. Here 1/10, here 1/10 means 2 1/10. So that is 2. 12.2 is the answer. Next one. Here also. Here 10, here 10. So 20 plus 1, 21. So 21 point. How many 1/10 are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3 1/10ths are there. So 21.3 is the answer. Very easy, no? Second one, express the following in centimeter using decimals. First one, 5 mm, that is millimeter, we have to change in centimeter. Listen, 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter equal to 1 by centimeter. Now 1 by 10 means how much? That is 0.1. 1, write down 1. Here denominator 10 is there. So before one digit we have to keep the point. So 0.1 centimeter. Now 5 mm, that is 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter equal to 5 by 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10. So 5 millimeter equal to 5 by 10. That is, I write down 5. Here 10 is there in denominator. So before one digit we have to keep the point. So 0.5 centimeter. That is the answer. Next one, 9 millimeter. Same formula we have to remember to solve all this problem. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter means 9 millimeter equal to 9 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to, write down 9. Here 10, 10 is there. So before one digit we have to keep the point. So 0.10 centimeter is the answer. Now 42 millimeter. Same format. 42 millimeter equal to 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 42 millimeter equal to 42 by 10 centimeter. Now write down 42. In denominator 10 is there, 10, that is before one digit we have to keep the point. So 4.2 centimeter is the answer. Next one, 8 centimeter, 9 millimeter. As an 8 centimeter plus 9 millimeter as 9 by 10 centimeter, right? 9 millimeter equal to 9 by 10 centimeter. Now 8 centimeter plus, how will you write down 9 by 10? That is 0.9 centimeter. Now add this one, 8 plus 0.9, that is 8.9 centimeter. That is the answer. Next one, 375 millimeter. Listen here. As a procedure, 375 millimeter equal to 375 by 10 centimeter. Now write down 375. Here denominator 10 is there. So before one digit we have to keep the point. Therefore we get 37.5 centimeter. That is the answer. Third one, express the following in meters using decimals. First one, 16 centimeter. Like that, the last sum, we have the formula. What's the formula? 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So that is 0. Here 01, because here two zeros, that is 100 is in denominator. So before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So 0.01, that is the formula. Now 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter equal to 1 by 16 by 100 meter, that is equal to, write down 16. How many digits before we have to keep the point? 2 digits. So 1 2, before that we have to keep the point. So that is 0.16 meter. That is the answer. Next one, 7 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. So 7 centimeter equal to 7 by 100. How will you write the 7? Before 2 digit we have to keep the point. Here 1 digit only there. So before that we add 0 and then keep the point. So 0.07 meter. That is the answer. Next one, 43 centimeter. So 43 centimeter equal to 43 by 100 meter. So 43, before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So 1 2, keep the point here. So we get 0.43 meter. That is the answer. Next sum, 6 meter 6 centimeter. 6 meter 6 centimeter. 6 meter plus, how will you write down 6 centimeter? 6 by 100 meter. Now 6 meter plus 0.06 meter. Now add this one, we get 6.06 meter. That is the answer. Last one, 2 meter 54 centimeter. 2 meter 54 centimeter, that is equal to 2 meter plus 54 by 100 meter. Now 2 meter plus, how will you write down 54 by 100? 0.54. Now both are meters, so we have to add that numbers. 2 plus 0.54. 2 plus 0, 2, here 54. So 2.54 meter is the answer. Fourth sum, expand the following decimal numbers. First one, 37.3. Listen here. Here whole number, that is 37, ones, tens. So 3 is in tens place. 3 into 10 plus 7 is in ones place. 7 into 1 plus 3 into which place, that is 10th place. So 1 by 10. Now 3 into 10, that is 30 plus 7 plus 3 by 10. That is the answer. Second sum, 658.7. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus 7 into 1 by 10. Now write down the answer. 6 into 100, 600 plus 5 into 10, 50 plus 8 into 1, 8 plus 7 into 1, 7 by 10. That is the answer. Next sum, 237.6. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 2 is in hundreds place. 2 into 100 plus 3 into tens place. So 10 plus 7 into 1 plus 6 is in tenth place. That is 1 by 10. 2 into 100, 200 plus 30 plus 7 into 1, 7 plus 6 into 1, 6 by 10. That is the answer. Next sum, 5678. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1 plus here 10th, 100, 1000th. So 3 into 1 by 10 plus 5 into 1 by 100 plus 8 into 1 by 1000. 5000 plus 6 into 100, 600 plus 7 into 10, 70 plus 8 plus 3 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 8 by 1000. That is the answer. Fifth one, express the following decimal numbers in place value of the underlined grid. First one, 53.61. Listen here. Ones, tens. Here, tenth, hundreds. So, tens, ones, tens place, hundreds. Here, 5, 3, 6, 1. What is the answer? The underlined number that is in 10th place. So the place value six is 6 by 10th place. That is the answer. Next sum, 263.271. Ones, tens, hundreds. So hundreds, tens, ones. Here 10, 100, thousands, thousands. Now 2, 6, 3. Here 10th place is 2, 100th place is 7, and 1000th place is 1. What is the underlined grid here? That is 2. Here 6. So 2 is in 10th. So answer, the place value of 2 is 2 by 10. That is the answer. Third one, 17.39. Here ones, tens. So tens, ones. Here tens, hundreds. 1, 7, 3, 9. What is the place value of the 9? The place value of 9 is 9 by 100. That is the answer. Next one, 9.657. So once only there. 657, that is 10, 100, 1000. Now 9, 6, 5, 7. Now which one is underline number? That is 5. So the place value of 5 is 100. So answer, the place value of 5 is 5 by 100. That is the answer. Next, fifth one, 4972.068. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Thousand, hundreds, tens, ones. Here, ten, hundred, thousand. Now 4972.068. Which one is the underlined number? That is 8. So that is in thousandth place. So answer, the place value of 8 is 8 by 1000. That is the answer. Here exercise 1.1 is over. Okay children, practice well. I'll see you again in next exercise. Thank you.